one and all. We are Team Mindbenders. And we really had a look at the problem statement. And I just want to call out a couple of key things that we want to solve. One is the post-COVID new normal. The fans need a safe, quick, easy, and most importantly, contactless access to the stadium and its services. And today's Gen Z and millennials, they don't want to be a mere spectator. They want to be a part of it. They want live engagement and new experiences. And how do we do that? And we propose the solution, not to reinvent the wheel, right? We have the Marvel Stadium app, but enrich, enhance, and technologically ensemble it to give a truly smart experience. And for that, we need three key elements. The first one, the right hardware, like the IoT beacons, uh, VR headsets, the Wi-Fi points, and the right network, which Telstra's 5G will definitely provide. And the third one is your perfect mobile companion with the enhanced Marvel Stadium app. So right from booking a ticket, in-app booking, to going to the stadium, AR navigation, and watching the stadium with live experiences, VR and fan chats and what more, and finishing the match and going back to home, your new app is going to be your smart companion. And we have really looked at the existing app and we have identified areas for enhancement, what you need to keep as an existing feature, and what are the new smart features that you need to bring in. So sometimes seeing is believing, right? So over to you, Mani, for the demo. We have built a working new Marvel Stadium, a working model, not a prototype, a working app, an MVP to showcase.
Yeah, thanks, Manu. So here on the left, I have the new Marvel Stadium app running on iPhone. On the right, I have it on the simulator with two different profiles, one for Sarah, one for Brett. So here, the home tab which we have, it is personalized content based on analytics, which are powered by AI and ML, where we capture the information from the previous app experiences and this buying patterns and the interactions in the stadium. So we can actually give personalized content for Sarah differently and Brett differently. Brett is into Justin Bieber concerts and all. So the same might not be the true for Sarah. So the content which Sarah sees would be different. We think this experience can target merchandises separately, which can increase the merchandise marketing as well. And the next tab we have here is the live experience tab, where we can see the current match, whatever is going on. And apart from the basic details, the match report, replays and all, we have something new integrated, which we call the fan chat. What we want to do here is we want to bring the patterns who are in the stadium and also patterns who are watching from their homes all across the world into one virtual place and just support for their teams. So this is how it goes. It is real time and my colleagues are doing a great job posting the messages here. And we have a lot of features to offer in the fan chat section. Among them, one is the location part. Sometimes when we are in the stadium, one of our friends can be late. We can expect that. So we can post our locations there and have them track to our seats so that they're never away from us. And also there is something called the AR fan selfie, which I would like to present now. I'm a supporter of say Eagles. So I just want to show my support in this way. I'll just take a quick screenshot and I'll just post my selfie here, selfie here in the fan chat. As you can see, my friends are already posting. This is a nice pic, Veera, nice selfie. So this is how it goes. And we don't want to stop there. We want to increase the the AR capability to support merchandise marketing like jerseys, goggles, and maybe 3D images of the players and all, just to give that experience to the fans. And next we have the schedule tab here. Apart from the in-app ticketing system, customers can see their tickets right from the app. And also I have booked for Melbourne versus Brisbane. I can just quickly tap on the 360-degree view and I can see the 360-degree view of my seat specifically. So as Manu told, we are not reinventing the wheel. This is an existing thing in the Marvel Stadium app. All we are doing is integrating into the Marvel Stadium app. So this is how my view is gonna be from my seat. This is really cool. I think it gives an extra dimension to the app experience. And yeah, then we have the 360-degree tour section. We know the pandemic has put in a state where the physical tours are not as easy as it was before. So we want to bring the virtual 360-degree experience of the stadium to the app itself. So patrons who are not in the stadium, but they want to see and feel how the stadium is and all, so they can just have the 360-degree tours of different locations in the stadium. And right now we are supporting 4, but we can integrate, we can enhance and increase the support to all the locations in the stadium. And other cool thing we have is the VR view here. Let me tap on the cardboard box here. So right now, if I place my phone in the VR headset, I can just have the VR experience of the stadium. This is pretty cool. I mean, this we don't want to stop here. We want to increase this capability to support replays first, because we feel that's a must, and also in the future to live telecasting as well, because it depends a lot on hardware, the special hardware. So this is our goal for it. And over to you, Mira, for the next set of
Yeah.
features.
Yeah. And the next one is a very, very appealing feature, which is one-click emergency trigger inside the app. It's a stadium. Anything can happen. An emergency can happen, whether it be medical or security. So the customer can click on the SOS button in the app, and in 3 seconds, a trigger would be generated to the security. And the security would be alerted, and the security can go to Andrew's seat number, which is A112, within in 2 minutes. So that's how we can serve all people, or maybe differently able people inside the stadium, not just them, but for everyone as well. The other one is AR navigation. That's our next feature. This is like if the user wants a navigation from their home to the parking lot, or from the parking lot to their seat, or from the seat to the cafes, restaurants, this will be their buddy. My friend in Melbourne tested this for us. He did this yesterday, and he's now navigating it to the Marvel Vault shop in the Marvel Stadium, as it is closed. Don't worry, he'll just go outside only. But then you can see that, he was able to go till there and see the Marvel Vault shop. How pretty cool is that, right? And we can make this accessible also, so that we can give the accessible routes for differently able people inside the maps. That's how it is.
Mina, we're on time.
Yeah, that's it from
just
the
10
demo side.
seconds,
Over to you.
Dave, if you allow me to conclude. So we didn't stop there. We used send our prototype app to a few of our colleagues in Melbourne, and this is a snapshot of some of the feedback we got. And we pivoted our approach and some of the features that we are focusing on based on their feedback. And just why you should listen to us, because we are the team behind My Telstra app. We designed, built, and delivered the My Telstra app for more than 5 million customers in Australia, and that's the experience we bring into the table to give you an enriched Marvel app with all immersive and smart mobile companion. Happy to take any questions.